morning, everyone. Look at this glorious sun. It's like very angelic this morning. I decided to start the vlog when I got to work today. You know, change it up. I'm about to go in, but I'm just feeling the car move right now because the winds are at 100 kilometers per hour. It's nuts. St. John's is like that. We get the, I think, second highest winds in all of North America, and you get used to it after a while, but sometimes you realize, wow, they're really strong. Like, the car is actually moving. So I'm about to head on in. I'm going to get a bit of work done. I really like my outfit again today. I broke out the sweater again. You guys know this one from Aritzia. My leopard print coat, feeling cute. Got some jeans on. My boots. And then again, I feel like it's super boring, but after work I'm gonna see if I can get a bit of shopping done. That all being said, let me tell you when I get home about a ghost story that Caitlin and I were talking about this morning. A very similar situation as to what I was talking about in yesterday's vlog. So stay tuned for that later on. Ooh, I actually had hair standing up on my arms when she told me. Okay, I'm gonna go into work. I'm really loving this light though, like, woo, how fun. Wish I had this all the time, luminescent. See you in a bit. Oh, it's still so beautiful outside. I'm done work now. I'm about to go into Wink, and I've talked about this store a couple of times in the vlog so far because I'm always wearing jewelry from Wink. They also sell some candles and accessories, homeware, some clothes. So let me show you. I'll ask them if I can like give you a little tour around their brand new location because I love it, and it's local. It's awesome.
Red stockings and bows. Thick coat when it gets cold. A holiday present covered with gold. Glitter like falling snow. White lights on.
Oh my goodness, turn the heat up on this. Well, that was a success, clearly. I got a massive bag of Wink things, yay! I got to chat with Kim, the owner, for a little bit, and it's always so nice to see her because she's just such a bright light, and she's one of those people that you can't help but smile whenever she's around. So, yay! Thank you, Kim, and thank you for your help. I think that these vlogs have been missing one very crucial part of Christmas and the holiday season, and that is cookies. The only problem is, I can't decide what ones to make. So I'm gonna pop a little poll up on Instagram and we can see how it does. All right.
No.
What?
What do you think of that?
Am I not allowed to open it?
I was leaving the steam in it to keep it hot.
Oh, guys, all right. Am I allowed to eat supper?
Actually, you thought that we wait for him.
Meh. Mom is hoarding the pasta from me. I have to wait for Dad to get home. What? That being said, I just finished reading and responding to every single one of your comments on the past 6, are we at? Yeah, 6 vlogs. You guys are so nice. I'm very excited. So, Mom, I'm gonna make cookies later and I'm gonna get Instagram to vote on which ones. What do you think about that?
That's great.
Yeah. Who needs to make decisions when other people can make them for you? I should probably actually make that post now that I think about it. Serious question, guys. Which font? Not that one. This one seems so dramatic. Okay, let's do that. And then we'll do the classic pink color that I like using. And let's do a poll. And post. Mom said I'm allowed to look at the pasta now and show you guys what she made. Oh, voila. Ooh, I love when Mom makes this pasta. It's fire roasted tomatoes and spinach and mushrooms and oh, it's divine. Dad wants to show you his handsome new haircut. Oh, that's so nice. Fix your bangs. There you go. Oh, looks good.
Yeah.
That's a handsome dude. Welcome to Chelsi's baking Christmas show. Please ignore any sounds coming from this side of the room as my parents put baubles up on the tree. So today's recipe, we're going to be making Aero Bars because 61% of you on Instagram said you wanted Aero Bars, while only 39% said they wanted Rice Krispie cookies. So this is for you, 61% of my followers. So today's recipe comes from the New York Times bestseller cookbook, Delicious Recipes, the 30th anniversary of Morris Academy. And the Aero Bar submission comes from David White, grade 3, 1994. Thank you, David White. In all seriousness, some of the recipes in this book are hilarious. If I can find some of the funnier ones later, I will tell you them. So for this recipe, you only need 5 ingredients to make the perfect holiday cookie. 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1 can of condensed milk, 2 cups of graham wafer crumbs, 2 cups of coconut. Is this 2 cups? And then on top, you have to melt 4 Aero Bars, hence the name Aero Bars. So I need a bowl. Okay, once your 1/2 cup of butter is melted, pour it into your mixing bowl. Then pour in 1 can of your condensed milk, which is always one of my favorite parts of the holidays. I could eat this stuff with a spoon. The weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. So you just want to mix that until it's combined, and then we'll add in our dry ingredients. Next, you want to add in 2 cups of coconut. Now, David White in grade 3 does not tell you what kind of coconut to use. I'm going to assume it's shredded unsweetened, because that's what we have in the house. 1 cup. I could totally see somebody on Nailed It. Does anyone watch Nailed It on Netflix? I could see someone on Nailed It doing that, or being really confused the type of like coconut to put on there. Come on, David, you need to be more specific. Number 2. And now, just 2 cups of graham wafer crumbs. Oh, they smell so good. 1 cup and 2 cups. Okay, now we want to mix that together until it's all combined, and then we're going to press it into this baking pan. The cookie base is laid out in our pan, and now this goes in the oven for 15 to 18 minutes at 350 degrees. Oh my goodness, look. Pistachio salad, Cool Whip, crushed pineapple, packaged pistachio pudding powder, mini marshmallows. This is my favorite one so far. Dream Whip and apple salad. 3 apples, peeled and diced small. 1 package of Dream Whip. Woo! What a classic. So as you saw, you pour the melted Aero Bars on the top, and now you have to cool it for a couple of hours. But if it were up to me, I would eat it with a fork right now, but Mom says we have to put it in the fridge. So it needs to go in for at least 2 or 3 hours, but sometimes Mom says she'll leave it and cut it the next day. I'm so glad these cookies won because they are one of my favorite cookies we make every single year for Christmas. It's become a bit of a tradition. So yay, I can't wait to dig into those. I'll probably have to wait till tomorrow, but all right, I am so glad I got some cookies done. Now it's starting to feel a little more like the holidays. My throat gets really dry at nights ever since I had that cold. Drinking lots and lots of water. So I promised you guys a little ghost story. I wanted to mention this because Caitlin came into my room this morning and said, hey, I just watched your vlog, and do you know how you were talking about sometimes you hear sounds in the house and you think it's like handsome, like it sounds like handsome? I said, yeah, no, all the time. These are like little cracks and sounds around the house. And she said, I swear I was sitting down yesterday reading in the kitchen and it sounded exactly like when Handsome used to lick himself and clean himself, and I got goosebumps. Guys, I think he's hanging out because we're all home for the first time in a very long time. Spirit cat's probably like, ooh, okay, it's Christmas time, and Christmas was Handsome's favorite time of year. Who knew that a cat could have a favorite time of year? Anyway guys, on that silly note, I cannot wait to get into my pajamas. I already have today's vlog edited and I can't wait to blast it out to you guys. I'll talk to you soon, probably in the comments. Bye!